Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas is undergoing a $100 million amplification. Allure of the Seas is the second Oasis-class ship in the Royal Caribbean fleet and was launched in 2010. The ship is currently in dry dock, getting several of the line's updates as part of the Royal Amplified program that was rolled out in 2018. In this video, we'll check out how workers are installing one really cool and totally fun addition to the ship. Ready? Let's go!
If you are the thrill seeker, you're going to want to head over to the ultimate abyss. This 10-story slide just so happens to be the tallest at sea, and is going to be one of those must-try things on Allure of the Seas.
But hey, don't worry about getting wet. This is a dry slide, so no bathing suit is needed. And if we're being honest, it's way faster than the elevators. Anyone want to meet on the boardwalk?
The entrance to the ultimate abyss may look a little intimidating. Oh, I mean fun?
Hey, is that a piranha?
See all those tubes these folks are installing? Consider those as express lanes as you'll be whooshing through them, maybe letting out a little scream of excitement every now and then.
What makes the ultimate abyss even more fun is you're whizzing through in the dark.
Ready to slide into fun? So are we! The amplified Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas makes her debut in just a few weeks.
Be sure to check out our other videos highlighting what's new on Allure. Do us a favor and be sure to subscribe and visit us at scottscruises.com for more info on the ship's transformation and other cruise news, tips, reviews, and more.
Thanks for watching and see you on board.